hiding is a natural behavior observed in domestic cats and is rooted in their wild instincts. When a cat feels stressed, scared, or in need of some alone time, they seek out secure, unsecluded places to hide. This behavior serves as a survival mechanism to avoid potential threats in their environment. Cats may hide for various reasons, such as adjusting to a new environment, feeling unwell, or being frightened by loud noises. As cat owners, it's essential to respect their need for privacy and create a calm, unsafe space, allowing them to come out on their terms. If hiding becomes excessive, or is accompanied by unusual behavior, consulting a veterinarian can help address any underlying health or emotional issues. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of the video.